Windows 11 always showing wrong time and not updating. So if your Windows is actually showing you wrong time or wrong time format for some reason and it's even not updating, there are a couple of ways to fix it. This issue could be caused due to the time format or the region that you have selected or your manual date and time. Simply open up your settings application, and once you've done that, on the left hand side go to time and language. Very first thing, go to date and time. Now, the one thing that I would recommend you do is just turn on set time automatically. What this does is that make sure you're connected to the internet. It will pull your time zone from the internet as well as also the current time and give you accurate time and info. You can also turn on show time in this option here. You can choose to sync the time. If it's still inaccurate, just click on sync and make sure that your time zone is also selected correctly, because different people and different regions and cities has different time zone. So make sure your time zone is selected properly. Once you've done that, you can also go to language and region and make sure you choose your particular country or region properly and not some of the other country where you're not currently at. So this way you should definitely be able to fix if Windows 11 is showing you the wrong time info. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.